How's everybody doing?
Okay, grading day. Getting ready for my pad for my new shop. Man's working this Kubota and giving it a fit right here, man. He hasn't been here 35 minutes right now. He started out just doing some cutting, and he's having to haul the dirt for a little ways off. I had to make a little room to get it out of the yard. I couldn't put it in the yard anywhere. It had no space for red dirt. So I had to take it to the back. It's been a haul for him, but he's done hauling dirt now. It's just leveling. And my man with the forms will be here in just a little bit. And get it all formed out. We'll stick a couple of pipes in that corner where that block is right there in the center of the screen. Right at that fence post. I'm going to stick a couple of pipes in right there from the internet and a little power wire to go in to feed off the panel on the side of the house over there. So,
Hello, everybody. Spike here at the Frugal Fixer Shop, and yes, I am in the shop. Well, I'm on the pad. I may get in the shop later today. They're supposed to be here in the next hour or so with the truck and a unit on it. I got my camera set up there. I got my other GoPro set up over there in the bushes, so I can hit the button and turn it on and record. And I'm gonna try to get a picture of everything going up on this building today. And they tell me they're gonna start by 9 o'clock, 7, 8, 9 o'clock is what they said. And they said they would be done by the end of the day. So we'll see how that comes off, guys. If so, I'll have to give these plates a plus on that. A little slow getting here, but I think COVID's cause of that. So hey, it's what it is. So anyway, be back with you after a while. I'm going to do a little go around. I washed the slab down last night, cleaned it up everywhere and got it ready. Went around the edges and cleaned all the dirt and the gravel around the edges so the metal could lap down around the sides of the building. So right here, that right here, get the camera there. That metal will lap down over that and give it a seal, and then I'll go around it and seal it all the way around real good. So anyway, that's what's happening today. So I'll be checking in as we go once the guys get here. But I was sitting out here a while ago. I turned the blower on, blow the water off the slab, a couple of spots, and I was all by myself. It was right before the sun come up, and I got to thinking. I said, I've done this for 35 years. I'd be the first person to the job site in the morning. I'd be on the slab waiting or in the trailer waiting or whatever for all my guys to get there. And I'm kind of in the position I am right now. Some days they show up and some days they don't. I hope I got a good bunch that's going to show up, because Lord of mercy. I need a building. I got to get all this mess out of this yard. My wife's really getting upset. The Connex over there with the cutting equipment's got to go. The Connex over there with all the big girl and the machines in it. And, I got my RV all set up here right beside my slab with a nice gravel all powered in. Got a sewer outlet for it and all that. So, hey, we jam up there and we can live in an RV if we have to. We had to yesterday for a little while because we had no power for 13 hours yesterday. Yep. Hurricanes, they'd come through and whooshed. But today, it's all smooth, no wind, nice and pretty and clear. Beautiful day to build a building. I'm just waiting for them to get here. Hey, update coming when they do. Y'all be good. Remember one thing. Later on today, it might get dry enough that you can dust that stuff off. Hey, y'all be good. Hey, Spike here. Guess what? They showed up in my building. Check this out. Here, we're gonna get busy. I'm gonna stay out of the way and let them do what they gotta do. But y'all hang out. I'm gonna set the camera up, let one run, I'll be one shoot. New shot day. No doubt today, they're here. Look at this. Yep. New shot day for sure now. We put on the peace, love, and happiness day. Happy little hat today, just hoping for the best. But yep, we did. Got a building coming out of the trailer right now. Matter of fact, the bottom rails are already down. There's Connor. How you doing, Connor? But there's the bottom rails on both sides already down, and they're unloading the rest of the stuff off the truck. So hey, we're moving along, guys. Moved the RV out of the way last night, so they didn't have to work around that. Put it on the other side of the yard. Hey everybody, Spike here. Kind of noisy around here right now. Yep. These guys are putting the truss together and putting that along. And the main man here is putting together the base plates and then stood up 2 of the trusses. So they are moving right along. I've been helping the guy doing this part, get the base straight, get it flat, while the other 2 guys work on there. Seemed like a 4-man Jews crew, but he needed, but, well, they got me. I guess I'm good as a Mexican today, so I can hold the dumb end of a tape measure, that's what matters. But yeah, moving right along, they're flying through here, so I'm just going to quick little update, let you know that it's coming up. We'll have some more building after a while. Y'all be good. Oh, we did have to make a notch over here. I got my plumbing pipe a little too far to the edge of the slab, so we had to notch just a little bit on this to get that to work. So hey, nothing but a little thing. Could have been a lot worse. So hey, looking good. I'm happy, buddy. So sometime today we'll have a whole building here. We'll let them handle that. Stay back out of the way, buddy. Watch out. Stay back so you don't get in the way. Get back out of the way. They're moving right along here, guys. Right now they're squaring and leveling and plumbing and getting ready. Once they do that, to finish the tie the braces in. Once they do that, I'm sure they'll be putting metal on. So looking good, step at a time. The building was big, but it's looking smaller now. But it's tall. At least I got me some height to work with, so hey, we're okay. All right, as the old boy says. Look at this. Got my little door going in right there, gonna be put in. My big door going right there. They're squaring it up right now, and they'll be putting metal on here. Just a little bit. Moving right along, guys. This thing's turned out pretty heavy duty. I like it. I like the frame. 2.5-inch square tube. These are getting there, boys. Check this out. Look at this. Check it out. Yeah, we moving right along. They're knocking her out. I imagine by lunchtime these dudes will be out of here. It'll be like 5 hours. They showed up at 7 this morning, so hey. Slow down just a few. Hey, how's everybody doing? Spike here in the dark shop right this minute. Now there's Benzo right there. And here I am, and look up here. We got half a roof. Yep, got half a roof. We closing in on it. Me and Benzo already got our electrical line pulled in the wall right over there. Got that done. Water line's pulled in. Sewer's already been done and hooked up. And yeah, we're moving right along here. Sorry for the darkness in here. I'll be putting up lights. I guess one of the first things I'll be doing in this new place, that's for sure. When they get the rest of this roof on, it's gonna get dark 30 in here. So anyway, just wanted to give you another little update. I'm gonna take you outside and let you see what's going on from the outside. And there we go. They're got my door in, got the hole for my big door, putting the rest of the metal on this side and the trim as they go. And coming out pretty good. I'm liking it. So far, I'm liking it, guys. We're gonna get up there on the roof and shoot a bunch of foam and all the little cracks and crevices from the inside. And then we'll get the whole building sealed up with some insulation. So, hey, another step. We're moving along. Hey, all I can say is I feel a lot better about it than I did. It's getting there. Y'all be good. Stay out of trouble. Hey. Look up there, man. We got a ceiling. The man's about to make us a door. I'm finishing it up right now, and the big door, well, is right here fixing to get put up. And I got some great stuff foam coming in a little bit to go around all these cracks and crevices. We're gonna get that done. And check it out. Looking good. Can't wait to get it done, finished up. Y'all be good. I'll be back in a little bit with another update. It's expensive right now, man. Leaf blower on my roof. It must have been close. There's my door. Be on the sign on it a little bit. My big door. Got it ready to put up. Be putting it up in a few minutes, I guess, when we get some more help. It's all closed up in here.